everyone, my name is Misty Snyder and I'm from the St. Joseph Public Library. I am here to tell you today about our December Take and Make kit. This month our kit's theme is cookies and cocoa, and included in your kit that you will receive, you're going to get a flyer here that has the contents of our kit, also a really fun book list all about fun stories about cookies and cocoa. Getting ready. You're also going to have a fun activity sheet to do here. This is from one of my favorite stories. It's called Cookiesaurus Rex. Cookiesaurus Rex is a dinosaur cookie, and he is not pleased with how he is decorated. He decides to redecorate himself. So, check out this sheet here and decorate Cookiesaurus Rex. Also, there's a maze on the back here. You can start at the very top of the maze and get Cookie all the way down here into the big bowl of sprinkles where he really wants to be. You're also going to get a design your own travel mug. Okay, so there is a paper in here ready for you to color. If you don't like this one, you can put whatever kind of paper you want in there that fits. Maybe you have some pretty wrapping paper that you want to put in and make it a Christmassy mug or a birthday mug, or maybe you want to color your own picture, whatever you want to do. You can put it in there. You're also going to get a sticker and a felt cookie craft and a DIY yarn coaster kit. Okay, so this craft might be a little bit challenging for younger kids, but with some grown-up assistance they can definitely do it, and I'm gonna show you a video where Miss Elizabeth shows us how to put these together. And I want to share with you today the felt cookie rhyme so that you can play along at home with your cookies, or you can play however you'd like to with your cookies. But this is kind of a fun way to do it. So you can take your cookies in your hand, and after you decorate them, so you get some little dots to decorate your cookies with so they look like they have sprinkles. So we'll pretend these already have our sprinkles. And this song is called Three Little Cookies. Okay? And it goes like this. Down at the corner bakery shop, there were three little cookies with sprinkles on top. Along came a friend with a nickel to pay. Okay, I don't have a friend with me, so I'm going to pretend. There's my nickel. And they bought one cookie and took it away. So now you take your cookies away, and then you keep doing that until you have no cookies left. So that's a great way to practice some number skills, a little bit of early math in there. Singing and rhyming helps pre-readers start hearing the sounds of the words so that they can later become readers. And also doing the little cookie craft itself, peeling the little dots off of this paper and sticking them onto the felt cookie is a good way to practice some fine motor skills. All right, so now I'm going to pop over to Miss Elizabeth, and she is going to show you how to put together your yarn coasters.
You will begin with one chenille stem, otherwise known as a pipe cleaner, and one piece of yarn. Wrap the yarn around the stem about 1/4 inch from the end. Fold that end over to hold the yarn in place. Then you will begin to wrap the yarn around the stem. You will notice the pencil grip here. This makes it very good for fine motor skills for the beginning writer and the pre-writer. It's a great activity to improve those fine motor skills. While you're wrapping, be careful not to pull it too tightly. If you do start to pull it too tightly, just unwrap a bit to where it wasn't so tight. Also, don't pull it too loosely. You'll run out of yarn. So just rewind and go again. We want to wrap it just right. Once you get that down, continue wrapping the yarn around the stem until you get to about a 1/4 inch from the end. You'll stop there and fold the stem over the yarn to hold it in place. Be careful of that sharp, pointy metal in the stem. If you have any leftover yarn, take a pair of scissors and cut it off. Now you have your first stem wrapped in yarn. Do that with the other 3 chenille stems and pieces of yarn. Then you will take your Velcro dot, put the smooth side down and the Velcro-y side up. Pick which one you would like to have in the middle of your coaster. Put the end in the middle of the Velcro dot and begin to wrap it around itself. The Velcro will grip the yarn and hold it in place. And sometimes you might need to pull it up and put it back down in the right place. Nobody's perfect. Continue wrapping until you get to the end of the first one. There we go. And just give it a little press down to hold it in place. Take your second chenille stem wrapped in yarn. If there's any of the stem showing through, just put it down towards the Velcro. Wrap that one around the first one and then around itself, and continue with the other 2 chenille stems. Once you get that done, there may be a little extra Velcro showing through. Take a pair of scissors and just cut it off. And voila, there you have your very own homemade yarn coaster to give as a gift or keep for yourself.
Thanks, Miss Elizabeth. I hope you guys all have a chance to come by and pick up these kits. Remember, we are still doing contactless pickup. We are open at all 4 of our branches for contactless pickup, so give us a call and reserve your kit today. We hope we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.